Are you afraid of long and difficult sentences in Write From Dictation? If yes, this video is for you. Hello there, I'm Amy from PTE I fully understand that having a list of the most challenging sentences in any task will help you prepare beforehand better and boost your confidence greatly. That's why I'll give you part 2 of the most challenging Write From Dictation sentences with another 20 long and hard ones for you to practice. If you are new to this task, I suggest you begin with practicing easy sentences in the video in this link right here. Now, let's practice.
Rising inflation means an increase in goods prices and a decrease in demand for consumer products.
Students are encouraged to read the new books recommended by Professor Jones.
Students have the option of living in college residences or apartments.
The archaeologists' new discoveries stand out in previously overlooked foundations.
The Commission of Fund supported among authorities has raised an argument.
The horizontal line on the graph indicates there was no periodical change in the period.
The massive accumulation of data was converted into a communicable argument.
The prevailing wind ensures the temperature extremes unwell.
The researchers are disappointed that their materials are proven to be inconclusive.
The shipwreck of this year ruined some artifacts which were interested by historians.
The transformation of media has changed the way information is both used and studied. The undergraduates need some specific sources to analyze a specific program.
The untapped potential for using the sun's rays is phenomenal.
There are not many interconnections between philosophy and psychology.
Electronic devices can help students to complete their assignments more than ever before.
These words recognize the excellence of the undergraduate's research projects.
Tours operate all years round, but the busiest dry season runs from May.
When the court pronounces the sentence, the judge will see if she is regretting.
Some people are motivated by competition, while others prefer to collaborate.
The library has a number of collections of historical and social statistical publications.
Those were 20 sentences of today's video. Were they hard enough for you? There are lots of other test practice videos waiting for you. So smack that like button and subscribe.